Hey, it's Jakey and I am sharing today my review, my personal experience with Flutter Habit. So before I share about this, I need to share that I've never had fake eyelashes, extensions, anything of that realm. So my terminology might be wrong and my expertise is... So the way I actually heard about Flutter Habit has nothing to do with wanting fake eyelashes or eyelash extensions or whatever these are classified as. I'm not exactly sure. My cat has a lot to say. But I follow the creator of these, Casey Jackson, on Instagram, and I think she's hilarious, so I always make sure to tune into her stories. And then I saw that she created these, and I thought, what an awesome person to see a need and to go fill it. So anyways, I was super excited to get my hands on a set because her eyes always look beautiful, and she would share like the before and afters, and as she went through the process of bringing this to production, really built up a lot of hype, and man, I was on board and I wanted to do it. So that is my backstory. I, like I said, have never done anything with eyelashes. I've never put fake eyelashes on before, and I didn't think that I ever would. I even buy the $1 or $2 mascaras from e.l.f. because I actually was blessed with pretty long eyelashes, and people automatically like my eyelashes when I don't have anything on them, so I've just never put time or money or effort into them until now. And as you can see, I am wearing a set, and kind of as a proof of concept, I didn't tell anyone that I had them, and I didn't put them on and say, hey guys, look at my new Flutter Habit, or use any of the fun hashtags that have been floating around, because I just kind of wanted to see if anyone would notice. So I put them on, and I'm not a beauty person at all, so you know, people don't come to me looking for beauty advice. And I had multiple messages of people saying, oh my gosh, what did you do to your eyelashes, or why do you look so pretty, what's different? And I had a lot of those kind of messages, or did you get eyelash extensions? And it was fun that people noticed the difference, and they were really responding well to them. So it was very like, it made me feel just beautiful, and I think that's what it goes for. So the cool thing is, you can tell because of my skin tone difference and the bags under my eyes, but I put these on without makeup because that's kind of one of the things that Casey says, is that she wears them and she likes to wear them because she feels more put together without having to put anything on. And it's very true. Like, I feel like I'm wearing eyeliner and mascara the moment I wake up when I have these on. This is actually my second set because I'm so bad at putting them on. And I actually really hesitate to share that because I don't think it has anything to do with the product. I think it's like my ignorance and inability to do beauty things. For me, there is a very steep learning curve. It is semi-humorous. I'll put some clips of me putting them on at the end. So this is my second set. I have already worn a set for 3 days, and I think they could have lasted longer had I put them on better. I still don't think that I've mastered it. I mean, I know I haven't mastered it, but they're a little uneven, so I started further out my eye on this one than this one, so then all 4 strips go in, and I didn't trim these strips at all. One of the cool things about Flutter Habit is your eyelashes per eye come in 4 sets, so you can use just a couple of them, you can trim them to fit your eye. I have very large eyes and I have a lot of area to cover, so I didn't have to trim it all, but I feel like I still get really good coverage. And I have been very pleased. So I really do feel beautiful wearing these. I definitely am excited to wear these in the future, and I think that once I get the hang of putting goo in my eye, I will definitely look forward to putting them on more. So in total honesty, it took me about half an hour to put the second set on, and I did have my kids running everywhere. You might see when I do the time lapse me telling them to get away from me. It was very stressful for me to put them on because glue and eyeball. I am not going to go through like a tutorial because I'm not an expert, and Casey has some great resources. So you get a booklet. Her Instagram has step-by-step stories that she has saved as a highlight on how to put them on. Both of those are very useful. She tells you what tools you need. So she recommends like flat tipped tweezers, a pair of little like nail manicure scissors, and I feel like there's something else, the glue, which it comes with. And I had a hard time using the tweezers. So I tried using my hands. I just feel like I don't have control. Again, it's a learning curve on my end because I don't do this kind of stuff, but I will be doing this stuff because I love wearing these lashes. And you get 6 sets for $30 and then shipping. And for me, it was like $35 to have it shipped. They arrived very quickly. So I'm going to link below to Flutter Habit's website where you can order, to their Instagram, and then to Casey Jackson. She has a hilarious personal page, and she shares still a lot about her business journey with both Young Living oils and with now the Flutter Habit. So bottom line, I definitely recommend using this product if you're looking to enhance your lashes. It really makes me feel more beautiful, and I think that I would feel way more confident going out in public just wearing these and not feeling like I have to put some makeup on, maybe just slap some lip gloss on, and I would feel like way better than rolling out of bed normally. So altogether, I am super pleased with these, but I did want to be very honest and frank that for me it was really hard to put them on both times. I was better, significantly better the second time. I just feel like it's really something that if you've never done this kind of stuff and you've never had any experience, there is a steep learning curve. You're putting glue close to your eyeball, and for me that like induced fear, which made me shaky, which made me like overthink it all. So I just want to share that only because it can be overcome, and 2, it's worth it because you get these beautiful lashes in the end, and 3, it's advertised as a really easy option, and I don't doubt that it's easy for people that do this kind of stuff, but I don't want anyone to feel discouraged if it's not easy, because it's still worth like learning how to do it, because hello. So I hope this review was helpful for you. I hope you go buy the product because I really have been happy wearing them. I've gotten so many compliments in person and on Instagram, and it really has like boosted my self-esteem, which could use a boosting. But anyways, I am going to now share with you how the product arrives, what comes in the kit, and then I'm also going to just at the end, you know, feel free to check out, do a little time lapse of me putting it on if you want to see what I look like frustrated. And finally, I'll also share some super awkward selfies that I took wearing my first set, and I had some with like one eye on and one eye off, and you know, you'll get the whole idea. But overall, very pleased, totally worth the $30, and I really hope that you go support Casey and her new business venture. And I think I heard once that she wants to be on Shark Tank, which would be super cool. Also, if you're new to my channel, I do not make beauty content. I am a stay-at-home mom. I do mom videos, and I just feel like sometimes moms need to give a little self-care, pampering, and that's why I tried out this product. And I like to share with you guys what I like and what I don't like, so that's where this video came from, and I really hope that you found it helpful. I'd love to have you stick around as a subscriber. Totally helps me as a content creator. Give me a thumbs up at the very least if you like this video, and let me know in the comments if you're gonna try out Flutter Habit. I really, really hope you do. side. Like, I'm already getting better, guys. Fear, you know, it'll kind of hold you back. Okay, so this is probably a tip in there somewhere. I'll look here in a second and tell you, but I've learned not to, I mean, I haven't really learned it because I still do it, but I'm realizing that you don't want to touch where you just put it on, because the glue will come back with your finger and bring the lashes. I need to like press in the lashes to keep it there. Okay, I have 7 of the 8 on. Again, I didn't trim the inside piece. I don't think I will again because I have very big eyes.